Hey my dear friends, we are going to learn a wonderful makeup look using the prayah brushes and blender. After correction, I'm using this wonderful brush for applying the makeup foundation. I will blend it using the prayah blender. It is just amazing. Does not absorb the product at all. The texture is great. Using the powder brush, I have blended the makeup and now the contour. Using the blush brush, I have applied the brush. After highlight, I'm going towards the eye makeup. First, let me complete the eyebrows. The brow brush is also great from Praush. Now, using this flat brush, synthetic, to apply a base on the eyes. Using this large brush, I'm going to apply light brown and then dark brown and blend it very well and create a wonderful crease. Now using the flat brush, I have applied some pink color and now applying gold. After everything is blended very well, I'm applying some pigment using a smaller brush. Now, it's a turn of eyeliner. The liner brush is angled and it is amazing and very easy to apply. It was really easy and quick to make the angle using this angled brush. After the brow bone highlight is complete, the look is also complete. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.